Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz, and this is Brian O'Neill. We're here at the CCI R&D Center in Tampa, Florida, here to show you one of our latest CCI grill overlays. Let's go. In my hands is the GI151. It is constructed of automotive grade ABS and is designed and manufactured to fit over and into this specific OEM grill. This grill right here is for your 18 and 19 Toyota Tundra, SR and SR5. The CCI grill overlay is installed using pre-molded clips, and these pre-molded clips are designed and fit into the grill overlay, multiple clips throughout the entire grill. Brian, show us how to install this.
Line your grill up and push into place.
As you can see, it's that easy. You can hear the grill popping into place. There's no drilling, no cutting, no bolting. It'll take Brian longer to wipe off his fingerprints than it will to actually install the grill. It's a great way, as you see, to change the OEM appearance of your vehicle, as well as to upgrade the trim level package appearance of a vehicle at a dealership level. For additional information or to see more, visit us online at coasttocoastinternational.com.